Okay, moving on to support that we can help with outside of the classroom. So we are an intervention company, so we do this really well and have done this for a really long time, providing resources that are different to what you'd be doing in your normal lessons. They're specifically designed for interventions. Can you talk us through what we've got here?
Yes, so intervention is really our lifeblood. It's what we do all the time. We know it really well. I just wanted to talk through two packs that we have specifically that I think are really, really valuable in your classroom. So the first one is our topic-based intervention packs. These are literally taking the lessons that we use when we teach pupils in our one-to-one tuition. We've got the teaching slides, and we've got the tutor notes. You can use these with a group of pupils, or you can use it individually like we do with our tutoring. And they are very specific. Again, like the SATs revision packs that I said about, these are very specific. So you can really target a need of a pupil or a group of pupils. You can use them in interventions and in little class activities as well. So they're quite flexible in their use. And then one that was new for last year is our extension questions. If the topic-based intervention packs are more for those pupils who maybe have gaps, who are struggling a little bit, the extension questions are for those pupils who need just a bit of a stretch. Again, you could use these in class during interventions, but the idea is that they are topic-based and they are really there to draw out the knowledge of those pupils who need to be stretched.
Yeah, it's really nice having a separate place you can go to for intervention specific resources. I know that you will have your hands full planning lessons constantly. So the last thing that you want is to also be having to plan more intervention lessons when you've already spinning lots of plates. So yeah, it's great to have resources specifically designed for that. And I do spend obviously a lot of time speaking to schools about their interventions and how they're running it. And I know they're all running so many different things in house and trying to support so many different groups of pupils. But I often hear how challenging it is to target everyone that they want to target, with staff being stretched so thin. And it's just only so much you can do with the staff capacity that you have. So that's often where schools will come to us and we can sort of take a group of pupils off their hands, whether that's cuspy pupils, whether that's pupils with really significant knowledge gaps, whether that's some year sixes that you want to have a bit more SATs preparation and practice. We've got a range of programs to sort of target and suit lots of different groups and contexts. So each pupil in that target group will be assigned their own one-to-one tutor, and they meet each week, I mentioned at the beginning, through a headset and a shared screen. And then all those sessions can happen simultaneously. We can hopefully free up some of your staff and relieve workload a little bit in terms of doing additional support and interventions. And obviously, one of the benefits is that you'll also have access to the premium maths hub for all staff. So you'd have access to all the resources that Hannah has talked us through today, which can be used to supplement the interventions or just be used by all class teachers from year one up to year six and help them with their planning a bit.